nothing. And you see the thing is not opening.
Yeah.
There's a light that is holding to this PC.
Oh.
Which I told somebody not to open.
Mm-hmm.
So if somebody went and opened it, calculate your lights and see how many transformers do you want to put in there for those lights to shine bright.
Oh.
If you can understand.
So it depends on how big the light box is.
Yeah.
Also, the light box must not show that there are LEDs there.
Mustn't show, because if you put like, let's say this one, it needs 4 lines. Then you put maybe 2 lines. It will show you that there's a LED, because they're in the middle of the shade.
Oh, so you must avoid the shadows.
You must avoid that shadow. You mustn't have that shadow.
Oh, so you rearrange your LEDs in such a way that there is no shadow.
That's one. Perfect.
Oh, so in terms of the perspex that you use, how does it help? Because I heard that there's this thing, what's it, Opal or what, or backlit vinyls. Do they help on getting the light to be just looks like one fluorescent light? Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, some of them, they does affect. It depends what color of a perspex or what type of a perspex are you putting. Because some of them, they do affect when your light, you bring it. Maybe you're printing, you don't want it to shine. The back of the perspex makes it brighter or makes it too dark.
Oh, depends on the perspex.
Do you have? Or what perspex are you putting down?
Also, does the thickness of the perspex matter?
It counts also. If it's too thick and then you got small LEDs, it dims the light.
Oh, okay. Now we need to open this one so that we can assemble it the right way.
And start afresh. Now I'm just struggling, like I don't know.
How is it gonna be mounted?
This one, there's only a simple way. If it's going to be mounted on the wall or not, or on top of something. If it's on the wall, this side, you put your double-sided tape there. You put your double-sided tape there. You buy a high-tech silicone. It's named high-tech. Or no nails, high-tech. You put it here. You put it here. Your high-tech, it will help you to stick it on the wall. This one, when it's dry, it's like a nail on the concrete. You won't take it off. It stays there forever. When you take it off, you must fix the wall after taking it off, because it will come out with the plaster whatsoever.
Oh, okay.
That is behind it.
But then in terms of switching it on and off, how is it going to be done? Is it going to be done manually with the switch, or?
If it's a big light box, you want it done automatically, you buy a
with a day and night switch.
That's what you put. But a small thing like this, maybe they want it on always. Maybe they want it on off. But for me, I think this small thing that they will just want it like on there.
Yeah, they can switch it on by
switch it on whenever you want it manually. Okay. Then you can put your plug, a long plug with a switch.
And that's it.
That's it.
Oh, then in terms of the day and night switch, do you also do it, or you need an electrical guy to operate, or you can do those things, you can manufacture? Or?
For me, if you get a day and night switch, and then you say, can I have a light box? I do a light box, I connect a day and night switch, I connect everything. What I won't connect is the power from the supplier to this thing. That's the only thing that I won't connect. Because I'm not an electrician. But the fittings accordingly to my light box.
Oh, so you'll put the day and night switch there? I
can put a day and night switch, everything, LEDs, transformers, test it. If it's working, I go and deliver the way it is, and then they can get an electrician who will connect the wire
from the main switch
to my box, which will be working already.
So meaning that when you are done with your own, let's say, wiring, do you test the day and night switch to show the client that it's working?
Definitely, you test it, the day and night switch. You can't just say, okay, I put my day and night switch, let me take it there, it's going to work. No, you test it definitely, and then the client sees that it's working. Then if there is a cost of installation, you just install, you leave it there, and then they bring their own electricity to the electrician who knows everything. He'll come and collect from the DB board to the light box, and then everything
is fine.
It's fine.
Oh, okay. How long you've been working with LightBox?
Light boxes, I've been in a printing industry for quite a long. I started learning these things when I was with Simdo printing projects. That was 2006. Then I worked with them until 2013.
Oh, okay.
That's when I left them. I went and joined different companies. I was still doing the same. Then I came back here. Then from there I left again. I went to Caesar Signage. I worked for Caesar Signage. That one was another different company, but still it gave the same things.
Oh, it's LightBox all the way.
Yeah. Now from there I'm back again.
Oh, okay. So what's the coordination between a designer and someone who manufactures? What must be the relationship be like? Must we communicate with the design? Am I affecting your LightBox as a designer, or in a way I can design anyhow and give you anything, and then when you work with it?
For my side, if you design something with a meaning, something that is lookable, something that is workable on,
Yeah.
I can do anything that you give me on a design that is written on a paper. That I can do it, or else somehow you can communicate with me, guy, I need to do this and this and this and this. What sizes can you manage to get, or to make this thing happen for me? Which sizes can I use? How, with my sketching, maybe we are sketching it down or wherever, then we can communicate. It's always good to communicate. But for my side, as I said, I'm a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
Anything that you put on a paper, you put your sketch, you give me sizes, you say, okay, I need this, I need it to be this size and this size. You bring me your design, I will work accordingly to your design.
Oh, and then you will manufacture this
Then I will
design.
manufacture accordingly to your design. This thing, the measurement of this thing, it was 300 by 100. But if you take this thing, somebody who doesn't know, you will just come and measure this one and measure this one. You will find that these things here, they are 50. Why 50? But I said I needed 100. Some they forget that this corner edging, this one, is a 25 mil, and this one is a 25 mil. So we separate this 25 and this 25 from this 100, which is 50. We separate 50, we cut this thing 50. Come here, we separate 50, cut this thing 50. This one is supposed to be 300. So our 300, we don't take it here from this aluminium. We take it from outside the box. If the client said he needs 300, we don't take it here, because if you take it here and make this thing 300, you are adding 50, 25, 25. You have already added 50 on a light box. Then when the client somehow wants to fit it inside something, it's no longer fitting. That's why you must understand. The only special thing, the special equipment, the special tool for this thing is to know your tape measure. That's all. Nothing much, nothing less. If you know your tape measure,
so accuracy is the key.
Is the key.
Oh, okay. No, I'm with you.
And I don't know what's playing inside it, because this thing now it's playing. This is our transformer inside it. It's supposed to sit one place.
Oh, it's supposed not to move.
Not to move. And there's a double-sided tape that holds this thing. Now I don't know what happened. Why is this like this? I don't know. And they went and opened the wrong side of it. This thing, they were supposed to open this side.
Oh, now I see.
They were supposed to open this side. That's why there's two screws on this side.
Now us will open the wrong side. So what's the thing from here? What needs to be done? Are you gonna start it from scratch, or are you gonna fix it? What needs to be done again?
The thing that needs to be done here, we need to take this one out. Take this perspex out. Make sure this thing is sitting nice. And then, if there is a piece of a vinyl that they can print this thing here, we print it, we apply it just outside here. We trim it. Only trim it outside when this thing is completely closed. This thing will just become nice. Because now I can tell you, it's another dance that I'm going to dance to get this thing out. I don't know
Because it
how
has been forced
they
in.
forced it. Because that light, if they took it that side, I can put that light back. But this one is connecting exactly to the motor. Now they took it off. If I'm closing this one, I can't reach there to stick it down there.
Oh, to stick it down. So there is a certain side from
There's a
which you can
certain
open
side
it.
which, if you don't have that mental for this thing,
Oh, so would it be helpful if maybe these light boxes can come with some sort of instructions for people who are gonna finish it? Let's say with anything that indicates what not and what needs to be done, and
no, for this one, because it's a small thing,
Yeah.
you might need some instructions because it's a small thing.
yeah.
Those other ones, they are big and you can see that they are handleable. You can work easily on them. This one is something that is too small, too difficult to put together to work on it. So you might need instruction if you are giving it to somebody who doesn't know
Who doesn't know?
how to work with it or how to do something on it.
Oh.
When you have a star,
Okay.
I need to take this one off.
Oh, but I can. Is it working? I can organize this.
Now, if you are a man, you mustn't just drag. What is you are in a bush and say, hey, I can't fix this because I'm in a bush? No.
Ne.
What if in a bush there's two stones that they can hit something together?
So you must have plans.
Just have some plan.
Oh. Okay. So now you fabricated this one, or you manufactured this one from a client's plan,
Yes,
from a design.
from a design. What they did, they just gave me sizes.
Oh.
Then you give me sizes, I know what to do, how to do it.
Did you see the client or you didn't see?
I didn't see the client,
Oh, you
but
just
this is what the
manufactured.
client wants.
Oh. Okay.
I just manufacturing it accordingly to the call of a client, to the brain of a client. Then I take his or her brain with mine and just click it together in air.